Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin, playing an almost brand new Yamaha GC1. What's a GC1? The GC1 is a Conservatory Series piano made in the Japanese factory at 5 for 3 inches. It is a beautiful sized piano. This is in brand new condition, just bought a few months ago, brand new, barely played. Our technicians just regulated and voiced it, so it plays so beautifully, and Yamahas are noted for their really refined actions. So it's a pleasure playing this instrument, and it's a classic look. I'm going to play just 3 selections for you, starting with some Mozart. This is the beginning of the last movement of his C major K330 Sonata. There's something nice about playing a brand new piano, and with the craftsmanship of Yamaha, there's a precision to the action. The tone is clean. We have it voiced a little bit warmer than you might hear some Yamahas. Sometimes Yamahas, because the hard hammers, you can get a kind of a brittle tone. But if they're voiced nicely, you can get a beautiful tone. I'm going to exemplify that for you, playing a little bit of Chopin. Now, this is actually, I'll play the whole prelude. It's short, the B minor prelude of Chopin. It's got a gorgeous left-hand melody that you can listen to the rich tenor voice of this piano. When you have a new piano and everything's regulated to a concert level, you can achieve any kind of voicing you want out of the instrument. That's what's such a pleasure. And I mentioned that we have this voiced on the warmer side, so you can really lay into it and not get any brittleness. Listen to, I'm going to play with full energy, the beginning of Schumann's Carnival. So that's what's capable out of a new Yamaha GC1 when it's prepped to the hilt and everything is in brand new condition. This piano is only a few months old out of the showroom, and free delivery anywhere in the continental US. And we have a fine piano technician come to your home and service the piano after it's delivered. Original bench included, full service. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano resource. Thanks so much for joining me.